Hi, my name is Doug Otamp. My company is Telecom Concepts, based out of New Orleans, Louisiana. I've been in the telecom business for roughly 28 years now, and I've been a SkySwitch partner for about 10 or 11 years. My experience has been fantastic. I actually started on the Core Dial platform originally and eventually moved all of my customer base to the SkySwitch platform. And I have had zero issues other than normal things that happen from time to time with everybody. But the great thing about SkySwitch is they've always been incredibly reactive in handling those whatever type of one-off circumstances that happen in the telecom business. And they've been great about providing information updates to the customer for us so that we can relay them back to our customers. Best advice I can give is do everything you can to research the different tutorials that they have on the Docs site. There's a tremendous amount of information. Learn how to use it. That's one of the key critical things is learning how to use the Docs page to be able to access information. And then of course, relying on your account manager to get engineering support, which is one of the other reasons why I've stayed with SkySwitch is that they're always great about providing the higher level tier 2 and tier 3 engineering support for you for your special circumstance situations that you can't figure out on your own.